Hey, hello everyone. Today it will be a very short video. So when exactly a third party item will be updated to VKDFS table, that is VF04 billing due list transaction code. To update third party item into VF04, it depends on the one standard field in VBUP table, that is FKSAA, and this field relevant to uh, order related billing. So whenever this field has the value A or B, A means not yet processed, B means partially processed. So whenever A or B, uh, then only that order item will be updated in VF04. Yeah, this status will be determined based on below conditions. So if the billing relevance in item category GTAS or TAS as B, order related billing according to order quantity, or else whenever the billing relevance is F, that is order related invoice according to invoice receipt quantity, and whenever posting completed for that particular item. So this kind of two scenarios only VBUP FKSAA will be updated. And here you can see that different billing relevance in that Vivo V7 item category config. B is relevant for order related billing, status according to order quantity, and F order related billing according to invoice quantity.